Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, we're going to talk about solo ads. Is it really a scam? I mean, is it really does it work? Well, I'm going to share with you a strategy that you should be using in any form of traffic generation on the internet, okay? First of all, who am I? My name is Rich Guzman. I've been online since 2008 and I actually started with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And I went over to network marketing for a while, and I went back to high-ticket affiliate marketing and been crushing it ever since. So I'm really excited about, these coming times with the internet and new technology. And we've been embracing a lot of new things, a lot of new changes, and it's been helping our business grow to new heights and new levels. Now, when it comes to solo ads, guys, solo ads is not a scam. However, are some vendors a scam? Yes, there are some vendors out there, there are scams and they don't give you real traffic, there are bots, and it sucks, okay? We know it sucks, we've tested tens of thousands of clicks on the internet, and we know what works and what doesn't work. Now, so when you actually look for a vendor, do a 300 click test and make sure that you actually track your follow-up. I can't stress that enough. Don't just do a regular follow-up in your email series. Create a separate campaign. Okay, let me give you an example, guys. As you can see right here, we're inside Udemy, right? So I'm gonna go in Udemy and I'm gonna look for a vendor. Let's say I pick this guy, Jazz Deep. Let's click on this guy. Okay. Now I'm gonna look at his testimonials, amazing traffic. Let's see, coming back for more. Right. So we got some pretty good, decent testimonials, right? But that isn't what does it for me. What does it for me is my own data. So when I look at my data, I know I got real people coming onto my list, real people who are opening my emails, and real people who are clicking on my links. That is the key, my friend. So when you focus on that, you can tell if they're a scam or if they're real. So the solo ads is not a scam. A vendor can be a scam. I want you to think about it that way, okay? So let's say I pick this guy, get some traffic going. I want to make sure I create a campaign. I want to make sure there are actual clicks and opens going through my list. I just started a new campaign and I'm starting to see real leads, real people coming onto my list. Okay? To me, that is what matters. That's what's important to me. I don't, a scam, no, it's not a scam, guys. You just got to be wary of the solo ad vendors out there because they'll take your money and they don't even care, right? So what you do over time, you're testing, you're finding out, you're building separate campaigns, and you can see who's the serious from the curious, right? And those scammers, you can eliminate them because you're going to start building your own Rolodex and you go back to these people every single month and buy more traffic because you trust them because they gave you real live people on your list. Make sure you go for tier 1 and test with 300 clicks so that way you're not breaking the bank and you're not getting ripped off, okay? So guys, that's what I want to talk about with solo ads. I mean, we do solo ads, we do lead generation with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I mean, we do all types of lead generation out there, okay? I just don't think solo ads is a scam. I think it gives the industry a bad name because people, they don't understand the process of how to test and figure out what works and how to create capital. We have people responding on our list every single day, okay? We have our list. We go up a list about, you can see right here, let me show you something right now. Our list is about 7,900 strong, and I can tell you that, I'm going home right here. You can see right here that we have 7,975 leads that we built up to, and people are responding. We get emails from our list like, tell me more. Guys, I'm going to meet you on Facebook. Can we connect? These are real people, and yes, guys, I would say about 80 to 90% came from solo ads. So solo ads does work. You just got to be wary of those scamming vendors out there, okay? They are bad. You got to be careful, but you can find the good ones. Just keep testing and follow my instructions, and you will be fine. Test to follow up. So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. Thank you so much for stopping by this video, And make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Smash that bell so that way you don't miss any of our videos, any of our lives, and all the value that we put out there for you, okay? Also, I left the link below this video. What is my #1 recommended program that I use online to make money on the internet? I've been online since 2008. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. So you don't have to worry about making that same mistake I did in the beginning, okay? So guys, take care. I'll make a new live coming up very soon. As a matter of fact, I'll see you tomorrow because we're going to do a live tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. as well, okay? Take care. Love you and appreciate you, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.